Jack Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts. This is just a continuation on of the block that he taught in last episode, and we're going to go into some joint locks.
The concept I wanted to start with was one I learned from a traditional Chen stylist, a Chen master. I don't remember his name, I apologize for that, but it was for learning Chin Na joint locking. At least that's one aspect of Chin Na. And it is got to be painful. That's how you remember it. So, well, just give me this wrist. So, it's grab, twist, then bend, and then you either push or pull, depending on what the Chin Na is. But if you do those things in that order, you'll get your Chin Na most of the time, probably like 80% of the time. Whereas if you change up that order, you may not get it. So if I grab and try to bend and then twist, yeah, I might get it, but depending on the Chin Na I'm using, I might not. So he always used that order, and everything he did worked. It was great.
We're just going to go into the block we went on last episode, so if you want to check out that block, just click below on the link there.
Right. So we always just called this neutral position. You could call it a neutral block if you want to, but basically if he's coming in with a cross, I'm coming in and I'm covering, and I can just block. This is just a neutral position, right? I can come in with a strike, I can come in with a groin strike, I can also turn it into some kind of a joint lock, okay? Which I kind of flubbed, but you get the idea. With the cross, that's when I'm coming up.
And I can feel that. Now this doesn't look like a lot, but immediately, if he pushes pressure, upward pressure, my elbow's gone.
Right.
The capsule's gone. One more time on that. That is impressive. Because he doesn't. There's nothing there. I'm telling you, he can just lift it and it's done, just from his block. That is cool.
So basically, in that I've got one active arm and one passive. So in the cross, the upper hand is just passive. I'm just trapping. This one is doing the work.
We're going to do it one more time. We're going straight. There we go.
Okay. And now I'm too far in to get that joint lock, right? At the elbow. But I can still come in to the shoulder and around because I'm trapping his arm against my neck. But if he comes in with like an uppercut, then I've got here. Okay. And I can step through.
Oh yeah,
I can turn.
I can feel the pressure immediately.
Right,
Yeah.
right. So I can turn it into a takedown or a throw. Okay, and that's here. My hand's already here. I just pull it down. I don't even have to do anything except give a little bit of upward pressure here. I'm not even actually lifting. I'm just.
Now, if I'm jabbing, just to show what's happening here,
Okay, because I've got this hand up, I'm just going to come to this side of my head instead of this one. Okay, and in this case, he's got
Wide open,
his ribs are wide open. Now, I also have access to his knee here, so if I do come in,
and this one, I felt this earlier.
I can take that out.
That comes right in and hyperextends the knee right there.
Right. And if for whatever reason I'm at the wrong angle for that, I can still come in
Oh yeah.
and strike out.
Oh wow.